Hello friends, today I'll teach you how to make pie crust. Here I have 2 cups of flour and a quarter a teaspoon salt. To that add 3/4 a cup cold butter and combine. Then add 1/3 cup ice cold water and add half of the water first and see if you need add more, because it depends on the flour, you might need less. And don't overwork the dough. Dust the surface with the flour and then transfer, shape it into a ball and then use a rolling pin and roll it out. Transfer it to the pie dish, and you don't need to grease the pie dish because the dough has lots of butter in it. After that, use a fork and poke the dough. So when you bake it, the hot air will escape. And before you bake it, place it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then bake it at 350. And thank you for watching.